What we're doing today is we're doing the flexible pipe on the exhaust. We got to take off the two covers first. The bolts are a hard time getting them off.
Yeah, they won't come off. We gotta see if we can heat it up. And if not, then we'll just weld them back on.
This one here has a hose clamp holding it together in the middle.
Yeah, the two of them, yeah. Like so. Close your eyes.
I have safety glasses on.
Spinning.
Yeah, it's spinning. I wouldn't touch that right now, though.
No.
Huh?
Me either.
Those ones are just cutting them off. No way to unbolt those ones. See where the white lines are? We're going to cut there. Just cleaning up the pipe a little bit, lowering it down so I can weld that pipe on it. We got the back exhaust down a little bit. I'm just going to weld the back end. We had enough room to push this thing to slip in here, because we're not going to undo the one on the engine, because these will definitely bust. Been in there for 20 years. Might weld this if he has enough room, but we won't know that until it
actually happens.
Until we actually put it on. There's that special clamp we're going to use here, in case you can't weld it. And there should be enough room that you can weld it on the top, because we lowered the pipe down, as I mentioned before. And let's just do some welding. We got the back welded. Now he's gonna attempt the front one, and he does have enough room up top to weld. What about the spaces that are in there right there?
That one's right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you right now.
You're gonna fill it up?
Yeah, it'll be fine right now.
Is there a space like that up top though?
No, it's right tight. Right to the tight. I think it's like that because it's a bend right here. Like
Yeah.
there was a bend in the pipe.
Yeah.
So I guess when they bent it, they pushed it here. But if you see right here,
Yeah.
it's very tight.
Just checking with the mirror, see if he's got it all the way around.
Not all the way, but
How much left?
1/4 inch. 1/4 inch. Yeah, maybe that 1/4 inch. That's about all I can get though.
Can you get that from the hood? Under the hood? No. But maybe from here. He just positioned himself differently, maybe get it from a different angle. There's the new flex pipe welded in the heat shield, and this one here he bolted back up. And we didn't have to touch those 3 bolts. Safety is off.
So now we go down.
I thought this part here would go over the exhaust manifold, and the end piece here I would have to get an adapter like this and then put some clamps on, because this piece here goes on the inside, on the back side, which you would have no leaks, but using this here you would need 3 different clamps for this. And this clamp here, you have to know exact size for this one here to work. But instead we found that we had enough room on top to weld it, so that's what we did. So we didn't have to get all these adapters or the clamps. Here's what the top side that we couldn't see, what the flex pipe looks like on that side. From the underneath, you're seeing this side.